Okay, so let's do today's lesson, week 32. Okay, along the way, we'll see whether you all can update what's going on, etc. What's your plans and all. Okay, so let's start without further ado. Okay, you all know what is the rules and all. Okay, so let's see what are the three things that we need to do. Number one, grammar MCQs. Number two, Comprehension Cloze. Number three, composition, which I will need you guys to generate some ideas with me later. Okay, so let's start. The first one, grammar MCQs. Okay, guys, let's do this the same way first. Let's do the 5 grammar questions. You guys look at the question, take 30 seconds, and then type in your answers in the chat. And the first question has started. Read, put answers in the chat. I think most of you have put it in. Okay, so let's have another cup of coffee once we finish this, shall we? Okay, this is like a suggestion. Okay, suggestion. So it's like, shall we do this? Shall we do that? So basically, you use the word shall. Okay, next one. 30 seconds. Please read the question. Put in your answers in the chat as well. A, B, A, B. Wow, this one got a good mixture of A and B. Okay, let's look at this question, yeah. That sea-facing house belongs to the Chan family. Now, belongs to, this part here, belongs to is positive. So here would be negative. So the negative, the positive one is strike out. So you'll be this or this. So now you're talking about a house. So it's singular. So of course, this one is strike out. So this is the only probable answer for this. So that will be A. Okay, guys, for question text, please take note of the positive and negatives, and then of course the tenses as well. Okay, so next question. 30 seconds, write your answers inside the chat as well. Okay, so we change your answer, yeah. Okay, so basically when you are on a boat, so if you go and take a boat, okay, check a boat, basically you're going to be on the boat. Take a boat. You are going to be on the boat. You are not going to be in the boat or to the boat. It's not a place for you to be going to as well. Okay, it's like you taking the boat. So that would be C. Okay, nice. Wait, there are 2 people in the waiting room. Take a boat. Okay, so we are question 3 now. Next one, question 4. I like golden corn pizza, white a thin crust base. Question 4. Trying to draw pizza here. So basically, this would be like maybe the pepperoni or something. So, oh, maybe sorry, yeah, this is the corn. It's the corn. So this is the base. So on top would be the fillings like corns, etc. The bottom one here would be the base. So this would be question number 4 with together. Okay, so yeah, sorry, my drawing will not do justice to the question, but it is C, yes. Okay, I don't know why the pizza looks like this, but anyways, it looks like a cheese, but no, I'm trying to draw a pizza here. Okay, so anyways, question number 4 is B, with thin crust base. Okay, some people like thick base, some people like thin base. I like the thin one as well. Don't know about you all. Okay, last one here for the grammar MCQ. 30 seconds. Yeah, so it's below the age of 10. So basically those 9, 8, 7, below the age of 10. So cannot be the with the age of 10. Above the age of 10, like that, I also say want to dine free at the restaurant, cannot. Underneath is not for each. It doesn't work for each. Okay, so so below is the only probable answer here. So that's how we do this. Question 5 is C. Now guys, please do the elimination method when you do this kind of questions to confirm your answers. Okay. Just hang on, yeah. Let me just check attendance on who else is in. One second, yeah, 1 second. We're just making sure that all the attendance has been marked. Okay, let me just continue where we stopped just now. The 5 questions. Okay, let's just review the concepts again for these 5 questions here. Okay, so this one, like what I said, a suggestion. Whenever it's a suggestion, we just say, shall we? Okay, whenever, it's more polite. If you want to invite someone to do something with you, you ask this question, shall we do something together? Okay, it sounds more polite, and of course, it's like, yeah, let's do this. Okay, and then the positive and negative. So belongs to means yes, it belongs to. Okay, positive. So the other question tag will be a negative one. Okay, house is singular, so it. Okay. Next one, have you ever been on a shrimp boat? So basically you want to go and take boat is not a place there, it's just a place just a thing that brings you to a place. Okay, so definitely the other is out. This one's yeah. I'm gonna multitask. Sorry. Okay, so this one is put together, right? You put together the corn pizza and then of course the tin base. So it's with. Okay, so in sorry. Right? And of course, this last one, children under the age of 10, so or below the age of 10, right? So not underneath. You can say under, but not underneath. Underneath is like underneath a table or something, an object. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, so grammar MCQ done. Now it's, where my star? Not nice. Okay. Comprehension cloze. Okay, so yes, now we take 30 seconds to read the paragraph. Then you will put in your answer for number 6. Take 30 seconds to read this part first. Okay, oops. Okay, let's see. Some of you already put in the answer as C. Yawning, like scratching an itch, is a reflex action. Very often, one does not need to consciously think and act in what to produce a yawn. Okay, so this one in is the collocation here. Okay, is like the two words will come in fact to produce a yawn, out, in purpose, no, in need, no. So that will be in order to produce a yawn, to do something. Okay, the sequence of yawning is the same for everyone. Opening the mouth, taking in a deep word of air, and then exhaling slowly. Let's look at the answer for question 7. Can you put your answer for question 7 now? Yeah, take in a deep breath. Okay, that's why we already kind of read just now. Take in a deep breath. So it's B. Okay, so deep breath of air, exhaling slowly. These are all like breathe in and breathe out exercises, yawning. So B, yeah, all of you got B. Okay, next one. Read this 30 seconds. Okay, so this one you guys have answered. At this time, the eardrums stretch and the eyes may what tight. Okay, basically what tight, you close your eyes or you do that. So D answer is D, what tight basically. Me cannot be far tight, seem tight, nearby tight. All doesn't make any sense. This is the only one for the eyes to close tight. Okay, causing them to water. You know, sometimes when you yawn, you feel like there's tears there. So basically, this is the reason. Okay, then question 8 is done. Question 9 now. Question 8 was close tight. All vertebrates from fish and birds. Question 9. From is the keyword here. So this one would be, see your answers first. Guys, can you put your answer for question number 9? Yeah, two. Okay, from something to something. So this one is D. Okay, question 9 is D. All right, let's look at question 10 now.